So we're putting in some water lines today, and we've dug the trenches with an excavator, and now we're putting in the Aquapex piping, which is really heavy duty. It's better than PVC. It comes in 300 foot, I think even 1,000 foot rolls, so you can you can have a long distance that you're going to cover without having to put joints in, and the less joints, the less likely there is to be a leak. So it's real easy to work with. Basically, we're just going to take a pair of cutters like this, and we're going to cut the pipe off, making sure that like a bunch of dirt and stuff doesn't get down there, because that's a bad thing. And we've got these stainless steel bands. We put the stainless steel bands on, and we got a T. We're going to push the T into it. And here's the cool little crimper pliers. These are a ratcheting kind, and you just put it on the band, and squeeze it together. And it stops. You hit the little lever, and it comes off. And you use the same tool for all different kinds of, all different sizes of piping. You know, like a 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. Like when you get to 1 1/4 inch, you got some different size stuff going on. So we've got this here, and we're just going to cut this pipe to about where we need it to be, and realizing we can cut it off again if we want to. But it's hard, you know, you got to add a coupling if you make it if you cut it too short the first time. So, and we're going to go ahead and cut that off again. And we just put the little stainless steel band on and roll it into a position where now you can get the pliers on there pretty easy. And just push it all the way on. Okay, that's on there. We've got another band here, and I'm going to go grab the rest of the pipe. And whenever you're laying the PEX piping, you want to, you do want to have it a little bit crooked in the trenches. You know, let it have a little bit of space. You don't want to string it, you know, real tight. It's just not good for anything. All right. So that's all there is to it. And then we just stomp it down. We make sure we've got good fill material around the piping, and you want to make sure that you've encapsulated it. You know, give yourself a good 6 inches around the pipe of good material. Make sure there's no sharp rocks or whatever right next to the pipe. And this pipe will probably outlast you. So this is what we're doing to deliver water to different areas of the property. And then we're going to be setting up like little manifolds off of that, so we can run drip lines off of the 3/4 inch lines. So we'll have a bunch of 1/2 inch drip lines running off the 3/4, and the 1 inch. 1 inch is the main feed. 3/4 inch is going to each of the manifold areas. So anyway, then we'll get a really good workout pulling all the rest of this dirt back in the trench. You know, if you just do a little bit every day, it isn't too bad, and it saves the fuel and the rental charges of renting a piece of equipment. So anyway, that's really simple. So anybody can do it. And this job, if I would have called a plumbing contractor, this job would probably cost me, I guess, at least $8,000 or $10,000. And I'm doing it myself, and I'm doing it for about $1,500. So there's a lot of difference in labor when you have somebody else do something for you. So doing it yourself saves you a lot of money, and I've saved a lot of money on this property by recycling things and not buying new, buying on Craigslist, trading, bartering, and it's definitely a way to go. I traded an archery target for some fencing, and I've traded my labor for sometimes money and sometimes materials. So it's the way everything can be done locally.